Well, I stayed in Grand, where this is a place where I said, let's get married.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
और जो वर्ड्स है उसके हिसाब से ही वो श्रृंगार रस में गाना भी बनता है. They will like it because we have shown Calcutta in a beautiful way. Arindam sir, he shot Calcutta so beautifully, and the music is there to uplift the whole mood, and I think all the Calcuttans will love it.
ভালোবাসার দিনে ভারতবাসীর সঙ্গীতপ্রিয় ভালোবাসার মানুষকে আমি পেয়ে গেছি। আমার সাথে আজকে আছেন হরিহরনজি, এবং ওনাকে পেয়ে আমার মনে হয় এই শহরের মানুষও খুব 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 খুশি। বেশি কথা না বাড়িয়ে ওনার সাথে কথা বলে নেব, জেনে নেব যে ওনার যে উপহার আসছে ভ্যালেন্টাইন্স ডেতে সেই প্রজেক্টের বিষয় এবং অবভিয়াসলি আরও অনেক কিছুর বিষয়। ফার্স্ট অফ অল, वार्म वेलकम टू द सिटी।
Thank you so much. Yeah.
सर, पहले जो मुझे पूछना है आपसे कि आफ्टर 25 लॉन्ग years, an album that is based on Geet and हल्का नशा के बाद this इश्क, so how does it feel, after 25 long years working on Geet? And you were telling in the press conference that it's a different feeling, six different songs and six different stories and six different mizaj. So your feeling about the project firstly?
नहीं, एक क्या है, जैसे मैंने भी कहा कि गीत में जो गुस्सा नहीं है लिरिक्स में, सिर्फ बातें हैं, ये बहुत अलग है. योर टेम्परामेंट व्हेन यू सिंग द सॉन्ग इज सो डिफरेंट. और जो वर्ड्स है उसके हिसाब से ही वो श्रृंगार रस में गाना भी बनता है. उसको उस ट्यून में भी यही मिजाज, और जब ये दोनों एक मिजाज है तो गाते वक्त भी वही उसी मिजाज में आप गाते हैं. तो इसलिए एकदम सोचने से पहले हो गया गाने. ये कहना जो, बिकॉज इट इज यू हैव टू बी योर सेल्फ, दैट्स ऑल. जस्ट पोर लव एंड द सॉन्ग इज ओवर.
What is the experience of working with Pandit Bikram Ghosh? Because to the nation, he is one of the finest and best person who has cultured with fusion music, classical music, but fusion. So what is the experience of working with him, with this project associations?
Yeah, he's a highly talented and musician, tabla nawaz. That's where and he's so strong musically. Like his concept of tunes, his concept of arrangements, and he has been studying all his life. That's why he's growing. See, suppose you've done that and then you don't, he's a student of music. That's why he adds on the qualities every day, every year. He is able to do different things in his musical journey, and it's wonderful for me to meet him, and really enjoyed meeting him and working with him.
This album Ishq is, everyone is talking about Kolkata, but I will obviously talk about Bombay as well, because आपके studio पे ये record हुआ है, इसका पूरा audio production उधर हुआ है, and the video production is over here. So the amalgamation of Bombay and Kolkata in this song, because even I had a talk with Bikramji. Bikramji was telling me that a whole project based on Kolkata videography is never done, national project. So how is this feeling of the two cities parallelly happening in that one project, and how blessed the city will feel, you feel?
I feel they will like it because we have shown Calcutta in a beautiful way. Arindam sir, he shot Calcutta so beautifully, and the music is there to uplift the whole mood, and I think all the Calcuttans will love it.
Surely. And you have been telling a journalist that your wife is from Kolkata. She is born and brought up here. So was it revisiting the city, because you have shot for like 4 days over here? So what was the best memory that you're taking back to Bombay today, maybe, because you have shot for like 4 days over here?
Well, I stayed in Grand, where this is a place where I said, let's get married.
Oh my god.
So,
And obviously you were talking about the weather of the city, the whole thing. So Kolkata's best thing according to you that you think you will obviously come back again for City of Joy. We call Kolkata City of Joy.
yes. It's absolutely. It's the logistics in Calcutta are very simple. It's not complicated because people are not complicated here. They're very simple people, and like that's what I like about this place, and so much of culture. Yeah, absolutely.
Lastly, sir, I won't bore you by asking that. Do you feel that pandemic had taken down the whole industry? Because it's not. It's a process. But still, what is your way of seeing? Because Bikram sir has just now told us that he worked on the project more. He got his own space to work on the project. Was a similar thing for you for the pandemic?
Absolutely. I had time, nothing, I had nothing else in the mind. See, even if you're not working, but in a normal time, you're, अच्छा उधर 19 जाना है, इधर ये करना है, वो कुछ भी नहीं था, एकदम सुन. तो सुबह सुबह उठ के थोड़ा रियाज करने का, स्टूडियो जाना है, एक गाना गाओ. फिर शाम को बोलेगा नहीं, इसको थोड़ा अलग अप्रोच करते हैं. So this kind of time for experimentation.
Thank you so much, sir. It means a lot for sparing so much time. থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ. বুঝতেই পাচ্ছেন যে হরিহরনজিও কিন্তু কলকাতায় থেকে এই গানটা শ্যুট করেও কলকাতার এই ভালোবাসাটা নিয়ে কিন্তু উনিও ফেরত যাচ্ছেন. আপনারাও সেই ভালোবাসাটা দেবেন ইশকে, এটাই আমরা কামনা করি. ক্যামেরায় অনির্বাণের সাথে শাম্ভবী, লুপটুপ মিডিয়া.